Hey there, traders. Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into trading tools, strategies, and everything you need to level up your trading game. Today, we're pitting two powerful tools against each other. The boom and crash spike detector, who's the boom and crash auto trading robot. First, let me tell you that spike detector is for manual trading and robot for auto trading. Now we discuss that which is best. With spike detector, you must need to find important zone and then open position according to your equity. But the robot itself detects the important zone and chose lot size which you commanded. Robots save your time. So which tool should you choose? It really depends on your trading style and goals. If you love being hands-on and analyzing the market, the spike detector is your best friend. But if you prefer a hands-off approach and want to trade while you sleep, the auto trading robot might be the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our trading tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.